Verse. Noun. A poetic form with regular meter and a fixed rhyme scheme. Restoration literature is well known for its carefully constructed verse. Verse. Noun. Poetic form in general. The restrictions of verse have been steadily relaxed over time. Verse. Noun. One of several similar units of a song, consisting of several lines, generally rhymed. Note the shift in tone between the first verse and the second. Verse. Noun. A small section of the Jewish or Christian Bible. Verse. Verb. To tell in verse, or poetry. Verse. Verb. To educate about, to teach about. He versed us in the finer points of category theory. Verse. Verb. To oppose, to be an opponent for, especially in a video game. Verse him, g. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.